Alright, this is the BrightSign HD224 and brand new. We're going to unbox this thing and see what we get. Got the box open. We got your BrightSign. Thank you for purchasing. And we've got your regular plug adapter. It's like it's universal, so depending on where you live, looks like you get the adapter. Here's your BrightSign player. Move the box here. And it looks like it gives you adapters for different countries. In this case, we're going to use the US adapter. Here's your cover for the micro SD card. And you get your, looks like overseas writing here, inspection. And that is all that you get in the box with the HD224 BrightSign.